guys, today I wanted to show you the gaming keyboard and mouse combo that I ordered off Amazon. I'm so excited to have this. I just wanted to show you what comes all in it. This is the mouse. And this is the keyboard. Let's see. Rest that goes on the keyboard. And this is the keyboard itself. Still in here. Oh, it feels pretty heavy. It is pretty heavy compared to a normal keyboard. The weight on here. And the USB plug-in right here. See if I can get this off of here if I can. Switch hands. See if you can see. And there it is. Let's see what kind of sound it makes. You can hear that. Not too loud, but you can hear a little bit of clicking. Looks pretty awesome to me. Back of it. And there you go, the gaming keyboard combo.